Hi there. Hi, little girl. What you doing? Are you having fun today? Hi.
Barbie.
Yeah?
Barbie.
Were you playing with Barbies? What else were you doing? What else were you doing? You were playing with Barbies, and what else? Were you playing with all the toys with your friends? Yeah, and you were bouncing up and down? Wow.
They're coming.
Yeah, I'm right here. I'm right here. Yeah, I'm right here.
Yours.
That's not yours, that's right. All right, you ready to go? Ready? Uh-oh, what's that? What does he have? He has a truck?
Funny.
He's silly, huh?
No, me.
Being funny?
Funny. They're close. They're close. They're close. Ah.
Okay, we'll stop now.